Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to another unboxing video. As you can see, I got some mail and yes, of course I know what's inside, and I'm pretty much very excited about it. So I think we start with Art Blakey and First Flight to Tokyo, which is still, you know, jazz records especially are skyrocketing at the moment, and you can now get this release, which sorry if it's loud, which I've heard on Spotify, and I really like that. You can get it for about €30, and you get a very nice packaging to it. So yeah, I gave it a try. Okay, and here it is. You can see it has a hyper sticker on it from, I think, a newly found tape from 1960, where he's playing with his band. So far from the sound I've heard, it's pretty outstanding. He has some great drum solos on it, so yeah, limited edition. And the good thing is it's been pressed by Optimal, and it wasn't pressed in the Czech Republic or somewhere else. So I think the quality on this is pretty good. So we got Art Blakey. This next one is one I got on Bandcamp, for a tremendous amount of time. It's been, I think, a year or more where I got this, and my package got lost somehow. So the guys at Bandcamp are awesome people. They're very nice, and so this is the first part of the product I'm getting. There's the back still missing, so they will send it anytime soon, I do hope. So wow, this is what I call a package. Okay. Oh no, there seems to be what's missing was the back, but I see that the back is included. So I think some of you know that this only can be, if you see the edits words, it's a box set from Dimitri from Paris. Okay, front and the back. There's also a hyper sticker on it. I read that for you guys. It says 5 record set of remixes by Dimitri from Paris. If you love soul and disco, you also love Dimitri from Paris. It's like the same with John Morales. But I'm also a great fan of Melbo Baptiste. He's a very good DJ. So it includes Ashford and Simpson, Chaka Khan, Dan Hartman, Candy Brook, Jamiroquai, Odyssey, and of course the late great Phyllis Hyman. So what's also very nice is that the hyper sticker is not on the box. It's on the box. It's not on the shrink, so you have to peel it off somewhere and put it in. So let's open that up. By the way, I also ordered the new release by John Morales from Teddy Pendergrass. Also can't wait for that. I also got the Tina Marie release from him, which was also pretty good. And this one is very difficult to open up because it's really tightly shrinked. I was happy that they still found somehow a copy, because this one is pretty much sold out. And I was a little sad because I thought that, you know, they forgot to send it to me. It got lost somewhere, and they don't have another copy. So this is number 1607. They have the numbers appear on the bottom. So let's put one of these records out. Classical DJ. How do you call that? What's the English word for this? I totally forgot it. But I do have them in white to put in some 12-inch singles, so covers some of that. So what we have here is, this is the front, and this is the back. Okay. Many collectors, I think you know as well, are not too happy to see paper sleeves. So I'm not putting out the record. I will cut them open, because I've just had that with a new record I got. I put it out and it was totally scratched with tiny little scratches when I put it out on the paper sleeve. So I won't put that out, but get that a little better to see. It's a very, very thick cardboard, so this has been done beautifully. What I don't get with these, no, I won't put that in. What I don't get with these paper sleeves is, production-wise, it costs just a few more cents to get a proper inner sleeve in it. So, well, what do we have here is Phyllis Hyman, You Know How to Love Me, which was a classic. I think in 1977 she got that out. It was a huge hit for her. Front, back. And what else do we got? Ashford and Simpson, you never can go wrong with that. Stay Free. Here's the Dimitri from Paris dub instrumental and the symphonic mix. And on this side it's the missing remix and the missing instrumental. Front, back. They all look the same from design. Jamiroquai Cosmic Girl, also a classic. Like again. And here we have that. I will ultrasonic clean everything of this and put it in proper sleeves, which is quite heavy. Which is the perfect way to unbox the final box, which I got from Winnipeg in Canada. So I've seen many videos on YouTube concerning how to take care of your records, and I'm using the master sleeves, inner sleeves now for as long as I collect records, because they're the best. And in my opinion as well. But they aren't cheap, and it's very difficult to get them from time to time. So I've seen many videos, and there was also one video from Michael Ludwig's where he's talked about that, the sleeves he used, and some other people, and they all recommended the vinyl storage solution. And yeah, I ordered from them, and I got the package today. The MoFi inner sleeves, they have a very equally looking product. It's about 12 US dollar, Canadian dollar. So therefore it's way cheaper. You get 25 of these. And I ordered just about 3 or 4 days ago, and I already got the package. So, and what I also ordered were the 4mm dual pocket outer sleeves in crystal clear. I put one of these out so you can see them. Oh, I ordered quite a few. and here are the inner sleeves. As you can see, they almost look familiar to the MoFi outer sleeves. I put it down. So let's see. Shipping was about 50 Canadian dollar. It came with FedEx. I think this is a one-person business. This person is going to get a distributor in Europe, so it will be more easier to get the products. He's taking only the best available products in the US or in Canada, and he's taking care of this. So these are the sleeves, resealable. And the good thing about this, or why I choose these ones, where, like I said, they, like I read, they have dual pockets. So I think you put the record like this in it. Hope this works with its quite thicker album. No, but that's not a problem. We have some to choose from. Let's take the great Nancy Wilson, Son of a Preacher Man, where she's also having a great version of By the Time I Get to Phoenix. So, let's see. We put that now in here. Almost like slicing through butter. So, and I would now peel this off and close it. And I can do that. I'll do it. You know what? I'll do it. So, I peel it off. And now I close these sides. So the good thing about this is now that the I should have waited 24 hours, because where the package got from, it's pretty cold, so the glue is not really 100% proper. But anyway, just to show you. So now this is sealed. The cover is completely protected from dust and everything else. Excuse me. And on the back side is a second pocket where I can put in the record. So anytime, and this is like, I think he also had a patent on this, or made sure that nobody else can reproduce that. So I can now put the record in and out, you know what I mean, and put it out without touching the sleeves. And this is just, it's outstanding, and it looks good, and this is why I wanted to have it. So I'm very satisfied with the thing I got, and if you have a chance, visit Vinyl Solution Storage to have a look at these sleeves. I wouldn't buy other ones, because the problem with these kind of sleeves is, in my opinion, they're changing colors, and also what you can see, they are squishing or putting very much on the edge. I don't get them really out, or I have some air in them, so I'm not so happy with these. So I'll switch on these completely. So this was my short, not so short, unboxing video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Have a great week. Bye.